rainforest. Check out this monkey move, Martin. Woohoo! Yeah! Is that a long-tailed langur leap or what? Nice! How about this one? I'm a pig-tailed macaque!
Whoa, wait, monkey dudes. How many monkeys are there around here anyway?
Well, besides us, there's the maroon langur, the gray langur, and a pig-tailed snub-nosed monkey!
Uh-oh.
Whoa, sorry, guys.
Hey, I finished that disc from the mystery hairs we found.
Cool. Now, if we only knew what creature it was.
What's that?
No idea. But sounds like an adventure is calling us, Chris. Mystery sound, here we come.
Here, take the discs. You'll have to figure this one out, too.
Have a vine, dude. Thanks. Woohoo!
That sounds like some kind of frog to me.
Not so fast, Schnozzle. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ha-ha! Woo! Did you catch that move, Schnozzle? That hurts! Oh! Martin? Chris? You find this pretty funny, do you, Schnozzle?
I think it's a pretty good look for you guys. And thanks for figuring out that the mystery discs are the proboscis monkey.
Oh, hello. We're just wondering what these noses are for. Hi there. Hi. Hey, Chris. Yeah. Suddenly we're pretty popular around here. Hey.
Guys, I think you figured out one thing those noses are for.
We did?
Yeah, the girl monkeys like them.
You're right. In nature, lots of animals have certain features that show off they're healthy and strong. Like male moose and deer. They have big antlers to show females that they're survivors. For proboscis monkeys, it's all about the nose. The bigger and droopier the nose, the better. And I think I know someone who's not happy to have 2 more monkeys in this troop. We'd better deactivate. Uh-oh! The mud jammed them up! We better back off. Sorry, gotta leave!
I've got to work on deactivation programming for those suits. The guys just got banished from the troop.
That must mean there's only one male proboscis monkey to a troop. I wouldn't want to mess with Schnozzle.
Guys, come on back. Aviva's gonna get those suits repaired for you.
Be right there, Koki. What's going on? It's not what's going, it's what's coming! A gharial crocodile! Nosy! Look out! Yes! Schnozzle, you did it! You're a hero! What a rescue! Oh no, Schnozzle! You okay? He's hurt. Schnozzle? He's banged up really badly. We gotta get him back to the HQ. We can fix him up there. Uh-oh. But the troop depends on him. I know, but we don't have any choice. Without Schnozzle, who's gonna be the one and only adult male of the troop? I don't know. Who's going to protect the troop from predators like the gharial? I don't know. Who's going to be Schnozzle while Schnozzle's gone? I know. What? You are! Me? Hey, I know I like to monkey around, but taking his place? I have no idea what to do. But the troop's counting on you. I'll be back in a flash. Hang on, Schnozzle. Okay. I'll start with one of those Honk sounds to show everybody that I can do this. That was my first try. I'll get better, I hope. We've got a proboscis monkey that needs some help here.
Which one?
Schnozzle. He took a big fall. Martin's keeping the troop together until this guy recovers.
We'll fix you up, Schnozzle. Just relax.
You'll feel right at home here in this tree.
Oh, he's a valuable monkey. Proboscis monkeys are one of the most endangered of all monkeys.
It says here that their forest home is being cut down. The forests where proboscis monkeys live are getting smaller every year.
Wow, no wonder they're endangered.
That's why we've got to protect this troop. Don't worry, Schnozzle. We'll keep everybody safe until you get back.
That's what happens when the circuit board gets caked in mud. I replaced it, so your suit's good to go again.
Thanks. I gotta get back out there and help Martin figure out how to lead this troop.
We'll get Schnozzle back on his feet as soon as we can.
Okay, so I guess we'll just eat something right here. Okay, everybody, dig in. No? Not these? Chris, come in! Go ahead, Martin. I'm in way over my head. Everybody thinks I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Neither do I. But I'm with the troop just upriver. Over here. This big guy'll know what to do. I'll just keep an eye on him. Great. And I'll just do whatever he does. So what's he doing now? Wait! Where'd he go? Ah! Found him! Whoa! Easy, dude! It's a challenge. You gotta defend Schnozzle's territory, or other monkeys will try to take it over. I know, but he's tough! Okay, I'll do it for Schnozzle! Ah, the shaken grimace! And the Kerhunk! Uh-oh! Martin, you've got to scare him off. I know, I just can't get the nose to work right. Yeah, that'll show ya! Way to go, Martin! But you really need to work on that Kerhonk. Tell me about it. I hope Schnozzle's better soon.
Amazing. Give me a little Kerhonk, Schnozzle.
Hey, easy, Schnoz. I'm just passing through.
Just what I thought. His nose is a resonating chamber.
A reso what? I'll stick to calling it a nose.
A resonating chamber. See, when I strum a guitar like this, the sound coming from the strings bounces around inside the guitar, making it nice and loud. It's the same with Schnozzle's nose. He makes a sound, and the sound bounces around in his big nose, making it louder. That's another reason his nose is so huge.
Cool.
Okay, this should help him get his strength back. I've got the proboscis monkey's favorite leaves.
Wow! This monkey has one strange feature after another.
He's got a bowling ball in there?
No, he has 4 stomachs! Leaves are super hard to digest, so the proboscis monkey has 4 stomach chambers that the leaves pass through. Each one digests the leaves a little bit more. That way the monkey can eat even the toughest leaves.
What? 4 stomachs full of leaves? If I had 4 stomachs, I'd use 1 for hamburgers, 1 for milkshakes, 1 for pickles, and 1 for pizza.
I get it. He's like a big guard watching over the troop. Chris, what's going on over there? He's watching over them. What's that? Something's spooking them. What? You're spooking me. A clouded leopard. You didn't say clouded leopard, did you? Yeah. She's hunting the monkeys. A top monkey predator. And guess what, Martin? More good news? Looks like that's your main job. You're the guard of the troop. The males watch out for danger while everyone else eats. Just use your nose to give the alarm call if you see a predator. Except for one little problem. What? I still don't have the nose alarm down! Well, you better get it down fast, because that leopard just disappeared.
I lost track of him.
Okay, don't worry, Nosy. I'm on the lookout. Oh, I wish a clouded leopard was easier to see. He could be anywhere with that camouflage. He'll just blend right in with the shadowy forest. Better practice the alarm call, just in case... Ow! What kind of proboscis monkey has a squeaky toy for an alarm call? Huh? Sorry, false alarm. What? It was there the whole time. Whew. Oh, thanks, Nosy. That's one way to get my nose working.
It's just me.
Oh,
Quick, you gotta move the troop.
to where?
Back to the river. That's where they sleep. All the other proboscis monkey troops are there already. It's the safest place to be at night.
Okay, everybody, to the river!
I'll go ahead and scout for predators. Huh. All clear straight ahead, Martin. Bring them through. Ow! Scratch that. Serpent eagle alert with super sharp talons. Ow!
Uh-oh, that's a monkey eater. Don't mind if I borrow this, do you, Nosy? Everybody, head this way!
Looks good up here, Martin. No sign of predators. Strange vine.
Whoa!
On second thought, python alert.
To the left, everybody! No python's gonna eat us in one gulp.
Ah, the riverbank.
We made it. I told you we'd get you here. Everybody's safe and sound.
Oh, sorry it took all night.
Yeah, and you know, it won't happen again. Now we know. Sleep at the river. That way predators like clouded leopards and snakes can't approach you from behind, right? So, you forgive us? Uh-oh.
They're deserting us. Wait!
No, you gotta stay here until Schnozzle gets back. Please, give us another chance.
What is going on? Why would the monkeys be leaping into the water like this?
I don't know, but if they're going in, then I am too. Please, come back! Chris! I can't believe it! Oh, these monkeys, they swim like pros! And guess what? We even have webbed feet!
A monkey with webbed feet, and they're more comfortable in the water than any monkey in the world.
And that's another reason they sleep near the water. They can easily jump in to escape predators if they need to.
But right now, they're not escaping anything. They're crossing for some other reason, and we gotta know why.
Wait! Come back!
Uh-oh, Martin! Gariel! To the left! There are predators in this river, so they wouldn't be crossing unless it was for something really important. We gotta make sure they make it.
Swim! Everybody, do your best monkey paddle!
Where is it? Where is it?
Hurry, Nosy! Oh, alarm call, please don't fail me now! I did it! I did the